The Bermuda Triangle, a vast expanse of ocean that stretches over 500,000 square miles, is surrounded by mystery, fear, and intrigue. Between the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this region has been the subject of countless stories about lost ships, missing planes, and unexplained disappearances. For decades, the Bermuda Triangle has been a place where the boundaries between myth and reality blur. But what's the truth behind the terrifying stories that have emerged over the years? Could something supernatural be happening? Or is there a more rational explanation? The mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle is one that continues to captivate us. And in this story, we'll unravel the myths and explore the truth. It all began in the 1940s, when the disappearance of 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, brought widespread attention to the Bermuda Triangle. The planes, on a routine training mission, suddenly vanished without a trace, with no distress signals sent. But what made this case even stranger was that a search plane, sent to find them, also disappeared. This event, which left no wreckage behind, became one of the most famous mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. And from that point on, more and more stories began to surface. People began to claim that this was just the beginning. Countless ships and planes had disappeared in this area without a single sign of wreckage. The legend grew, and soon the Bermuda Triangle became synonymous with danger and the unknown. One particularly chilling case was that of the USS Cyclops, a large cargo ship carrying over 300 men, which disappeared without a trace in 1918. Despite extensive search efforts, no debris or wreckage was found, making the ship's disappearance one of the most haunting mysteries in naval history. As more strange incidents emerged, the myth of the Bermuda Triangle took on a life of its own. People started to speculate about the region's unusual magnetic fields, its weather patterns, and even supernatural forces at play. The idea that something beyond our understanding was causing these disappearances seemed to be a perfect explanation for the unexplainable. Some said it was a portal to another world, while others suggested extraterrestrial involvement. With each new disappearance, the Bermuda Triangle became more and more enigmatic. But what is the truth behind these mysterious events? Could there be a logical explanation for what's happening in this infamous stretch of ocean? As it turns out, the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other heavily traveled area in the world. In fact, many of the disappearances attributed to the Bermuda Triangle can be explained by natural causes, such as human error, weather conditions, or even magnetic anomalies. Experts believe that some of the disappearances may have been the result of navigational errors caused by magnetic anomalies in the region. Compasses can sometimes malfunction in this area due to the Earth's magnetic field, causing ships and planes to become disoriented and veer off course. Another explanation is the Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that flows through the Bermuda Triangle. This current is so strong that it can quickly move wreckage from a ship or plane crash, making it nearly impossible to recover any remains. The strong currents could easily carry debris hundreds of miles away, which could explain why some accidents went unsolved. It's also worth considering the human error factor. In a region so frequently traveled by planes and ships, the number of accidents is bound to happen. With poorly maintained equipment, miscommunication, or even bad weather, accidents can and do occur. However, The stories of the Bermuda Triangle often leave out these practical explanations in favor of more sensationalized ideas. Scientists have also proposed another theory: methane hydrate gas, which is trapped beneath the ocean floor. If these gas pockets were to suddenly release, they could reduce the water's buoyancy and cause ships to sink. This theory suggests that the Bermuda Triangle could be a place where these pockets of methane gas occasionally rupture, causing ships and planes to disappear in a flash. Though this may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, it is a theory grounded in scientific research. Despite all these possible explanations, the idea of the Bermuda Triangle being a place of supernatural forces or alien activity still persists in popular culture. People continue to tell stories of strange lights in the sky, unexplained phenomena, and aircrafts that have seemingly vanished into thin air. But when we look at the facts, the mystery begins to dissipate. While it's true that strange events have happened in the Bermuda Triangle, they're no more bizarre than accidents that happen in other parts of the world. It's the mystery surrounding these events, along with the sensationalized media coverage, that continues to fuel the myth. The truth is, the Bermuda Triangle doesn't have a higher frequency of incidents compared to other busy areas of ocean. The reality is that the incidents that have occurred are, statistically, not that out of the ordinary. We're simply more aware of them because they've been told and retold through books, movies, and documentaries. And while the stories are captivating, they don't provide us with the complete picture of what actually happened. Modern technology, such as GPS, satellite tracking, and advanced radar systems, has made it much safer to navigate through the Bermuda Triangle today. With these tools, it's unlikely that planes or ships would simply vanish without a trace. So, while the Bermuda Triangle remains a place of legend, it is not as mysterious as we've been led to believe. The Bermuda Triangle will likely continue to capture our imaginations for years to come. The stories, the theories, and the unanswered questions will remain a part of its allure. But as we peel back the layers of mystery, we realize that the truth is often less exciting than the myths. So, while the Bermuda Triangle might hold some fascination, it's also a reminder of how easily we can become captivated by the unknown. And sometimes, the real story is more mundane than we could have ever imagined. Before we dive deep into this story, subscribe to the channel so you never miss powerful and thought-provoking stories. Let's go in deep